Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy with another Sergio's Diaries video. Today's is going to be a little bit different. So, as most of you know, I do go in the comments and respond to a ton of them when we put these videos out. And that was something that was lacking before I showed up on the YouTube channel. And I think it creates a bond between the audience and myself. And not only that, I think it's great practice to be able to grow the community. So 99.5%, or let's say 99% of them are positive. They're thankful, they're appreciative of what I'm doing. But then, I'm in the public eye. And it is the internet, as you all know. Everybody is a big man on the internet. And so I had put this video up and I was reading the comments, and I see this comment from Jacob's Strength, whatever. So he he called me a couple of choice names, but this is his comment. As you guys can see, I screenshotted it. He goes, "Why is Sergio a host? The dude can hardly talk without sounding like a robot. No personality and old as F." Now, do you guys agree or do you guys disagree with this comment? If you do, fine, leave another comment below. I will probably respond. The thing that I don't do is I don't block people. I allow all opinions to be voiced, all voices to be heard. So, but this hit me funny that, he calls me a robot. Am I a robot? Do you guys think I'm some AI version of myself? Is this what's happening? Do you guys think I'm real? You all see me on YouTube. It's a, two-dimensional medium, obviously. But this person here, I did not block him. I did not put him in YouTube purgatory or jail because I want him to make a fool of himself. Now, there may be some of you that agree with this comment. I take personal insult reasonably well because I'm a public figure. I'm in the internet. I'm on the internet. I'm on YouTube, and you have to take the good with the bad. You have to have thick skin. You have to have Teflon skin. Actually, you have to let everything slide. But this one, I couldn't let it go because it hit me absolutely funny. So, what do you think, Jacob Strength? Do you think I still am a robot? Do you not think I have a personality? See how I'm even smiling for you. Old as F is, I don't know. You're also going to get old as well. So when you do get old and somebody calls you old as F, by the way, I'm not that old. But, you will probably get upset at that as well. But I didn't. I know I'm getting older. But luckily, my brain still works. My body still works. So as long as it does, I'm going to help the driver community. So with that said, please join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern, for Show Me the Money on our YouTube channel.